Hi, welcome to Catherine's Corner. We have a special delivery here today. I don't know if you've heard, Ccolor Cosmetics seems to be going out of business. I just got an order that I have placed. Everything was 90% off. They still have some stuff on the website. If you go to Ccolor Cosmetics, you can get things at 90% off. So I placed an order, and then I went back and they had more things on the website. So I have a second order coming. So we're going to go ahead and open this order. They're known for making dupes of high-end products.
Oh, you can just open this one.
I think you just have to...
I think you just have to help me. Do you want me to take the baby?
You take the co-host.
Baby.
Yeah, it's right here. You just have to do this.
Baby. Oh, it's a baby.
You just have to cut this seal right here, and then you can open it.
I can co-host lets me do whatever I want with her.
I know she
Literally.
does. So you go to ccolorcosmetics.com.
Take the baby.
Now that it's open, she wants me to take the dog. I want the packing list. I've ordered from them before, and the quality was always pretty good.
This is thank you.
It says thank you on the bottom of the box. So, what did we order?
Birthday blast.
What is this one? Birthday blast. Some of these I ordered with some grandchildren in mind. Oh, this is quite pretty.
Ooh, it's like a very pretty color. I like the colors.
So, we're not going to play in it just yet. What's the next one? One of them I think I ordered just for me.
Nightfall 18 color eyeshadow palette rose.
I think I just liked the packaging on this one.
Oh, I think I found the one that you ordered for you.
I can't get the plastic off.
Grandma, we're gonna fight.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. We're about to fight.
Well, I can get the plastic off. There, come on.
10 years later.
My plastic's glued down pretty good.
Or maybe you just need to grow your finger.
They will tell you on the website, they'll say as compared to certain high-end products. I don't know if it says so on the packaging or not.
We're about to fight.
Oh, the brushes. Rose gold palette. It doesn't say. But is there only 2 palettes in there?
Here's another one.
There's another palette.
That's the last one, I think.
This one is called Around the City. Oh, this is kind of a pretty, doesn't have a mirror.
You've got 2 of the same.
Plastic, I give up.
We're gonna fight because she got
packaged. Yeah, this is why I placed the order, because they had brushes. And
look at this.
I ordered 2 of each set of brushes. This one was Eye Essentials Brush Kit 2, and this was just Eye Essentials Brush Kit. There she goes. Show it. And these tell you on the back what kind of blenders and stuff they are. Here, you open this one.
How do you open it?
On
I
the
see.
back. So it cost me, I think, more in shipping than it did for the products.
I can't open it.
Oh, Oh, that one's a foam. These two are foam. Oh, I don't know that I like that.
Ooh, I love foam.
You love foam? Okay, you get those two.
Ooh, foamy. Here's these.
What are these like?
I love these foam brushes only because I like how they feel on my skin.
And this is just, oh, I like that little thing you give, Gizmo. I like that little, this would be great for like your inner corner and little places you want to put. These might be okay. This might be a nice pack-up brush. For what I paid for them, I paid less than $1 for each pack. So here you can have that whole set.
Oh, thanks.
And I'm probably going to keep this whole set. But I have another order coming from Ccolor. So we're going to put these back in the box. Everything back in the box. We'll decide who gets what later.
And I'm also going to put her off camera for the amount of brushes she got.
Grandma likes brushes.
I can tell.
Grandma likes brushes.
I like beauty blenders over brushes. I like to put water on my beauty blender and then freeze them because it's better for me to put foundation on my skin. They just feel so good.
Yeah. We'll see. Maybe you'll get more brushes. We'll see. But right now, we're going to put that in there. But we're going to go ahead and pop this up live real soon. Because if there's anything left on the website, you guys might want to pop on and pick it up.
Oh,
like I said, for the price,
just don't look on the floor.
there were pennies on the dollar for these products. And like I said, I have bought, you're wiggling the camera. I have bought their products before and they were good quality eyeshadows. And like I said, I ended up paying more for the shipping almost than I did for the products. So
Meow.
might be a good chance to pick up some products.
Oh,
And
hi, honey.
say goodbye to the people, Sophie. Okay.
Oh.
We'll see you soon. Glad you could visit.
Bye.
Bye.